Welcome to our channel. Gig workers need specialized insurance coverage that personal policies don't provide. Follow these step-by-step instructions to protect yourself while working. Step 1. Understand that personal auto insurance doesn't cover accidents while using your vehicle for commercial purposes like rideshare or delivery services. Step 2. For rideshare drivers, verify what coverage your rideshare company provides. Uber and Lyft offer coverage, but only when the app is on and you're en route to or transporting passengers. Step 3. Purchase rideshare insurance from your auto insurer to fill coverage gaps when the app is on but you haven't accepted a ride. This typically costs $15 to $20 monthly. Step 4. For delivery drivers, check if your delivery platform provides insurance. Many do, but coverage varies significantly and may not apply during all phases of delivery. Step 5. Consider commercial auto insurance if you make substantial income from delivery or your personal insurer excludes gig work. Commercial policies are more expensive but comprehensive. Step 6. Get general liability insurance to protect against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage you cause while working. This is essential for contractors and freelancers. Step 7. Purchase professional liability insurance if you provide advice or services where errors could cause financial harm to clients, also called errors and omissions insurance. Step 8. Explore group insurance options through freelancer organizations or professional associations. These often offer discounted rates on health, disability, and liability insurance for self-employed workers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.